Can you hear that noise? It's November 4th, 3:30 a.m. It's constant noise. It gets louder. Don't know where it's coming from. Tell it's dark. I don't see a moon. Sorry, the camera really doesn't take good pictures, but I'm just capturing the noise. That was a car. You can tell the difference from a car to this other sound. It's getting louder. I hope the camera picks it up. Don't know where it's coming from. There, it's louder. It's just a constant noise. Every so often it just gets really, really loud. We probably can't hear it the way I hear it though. I'm sure you'll see more videos on YouTube about this sound on November 4th at 3:30 in the morning. Well, I'm frozen. I'm going in.